In the test kitchen, we use piping bags to decorate cakes and a whole lot more. So Adam's here to tell us which piping bags didn't go bust in the hot seat.
You know, it's not a matter of what goes bust or not. The first problem with these things is knowing what to buy. We started with 5 different full sets that included either cloth or plastic pastry bags, a set of 9 to 12 tips in various designs and sizes, and if we were lucky, a coupler. And I'll show you what a coupler is. It's this little threaded gizmo here, and it's not strictly necessary, but it allows you to more easily attach the tip to the bag and moreover to change it really easily. Testers were not crazy about the fabric bags because they felt a little bit stiff, not that easy to control. Even worse was this big silicone plastic bag, and it was hard to use, it was cumbersome. Also, both the fabric and the silicone hung on to stains and odors from the colored buttercreams, no matter how many times the testers went at them to wash them out. What they liked a lot better was a disposable plastic bag. It was easy to control, it held plenty of icing, and those stains and odors, non-issue because you just throw it away when you're done.
Convenient.
The testers also divided the tips into 3 different categories. Those that were essential, those that were nice to have but non-essential, and then just superfluous, useless things. I have the 6 essential tips here: a small round writing tip, a large round writing tip, a closed star tip, an open star tip, a petal tip, and a leaf tip. Testers also had some thoughts about the size of the opening on the tip. Their preference were for holes that were ranging from 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch. If they were larger than that, like the one you have right there, that one's 3/4 of an inch. And you can see that, you know, it works, but the line is a little blobby, it's a little bit messy. Now why don't you try the other bag of pink icing? That one is 1/2 inch, and that's within the range that our testers really like the best. It was versatile, it was easy to control, it was neat. That's a beautiful line.
There we go, let's just say hi.
This was the set that came closest to our tester's ideal. It's the Wilton 20-piece beginning buttercream decorating set. It's $12.20. It had plastic bags that they liked. It had 5 of the 6 tips that they wanted, but it didn't have that last tip and it didn't have a coupler. So what they did was they went out to the parking lot, got in a car, and drove to a craft store where they put together their own a la carte set. They bought a set of 12 16-inch disposable plastic bags. They bought Wilton tips, the 6 designs they wanted in the perfect sizes, and a set of couplers for $15. And all of that information is right on our website.
Well, there you go. Our winner is the Test Kitchen self-assembled a la carte decorating set. Thanks for watching Cook's Country from America's Test Kitchen. So what'd you think?
Leave a comment and let us know which recipes you're excited to make, or just say hi.
Now you can find links to today's recipes and reviews in the video description.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
See you later.
Alligator.